Regain your quality of life. Hydraloop is an innovative in-house water recycling system that recycles water for reuse, so you can almost double your 50 litres per person per day. Mains water consumption in Cape Town without Hydraloop, according to level 6B restrictions, only 50 litres of mains water per person per day. A huge impact on comfort of living. The consequences are taking very short showers, flush lavatories only very few times a day, you cannot run your washing machine every day, and there is no water for your garden. Mains water consumption in Cape Town with Hydraloop, still 50 litres of mains water, but now you can enjoy 4-minute showers. And up to 95% of that shower and bath water is recycled. The washing machine uses recycled water except for the last rinse. 75% of washing machine water is recycled again, so up to 46 litres is recycled and available for reuse. A total of 95% of mains water. So what to reuse this recycled water for? The lavatories, the washing machine and the garden or pool. Without Hydraloop, you only have 50 litres, but with Hydraloop you have a total of 96 litres per person per day available. Regain your quality of life and personal hygiene with Hydraloop. An overview for a family of 4, comply with level 6B water restrictions, run the washing machine once a day, flush lavatories 5 times per person per day, enjoy a 4-minute shower per person per day and have 52 litres of water available to irrigate your garden or top up your pool. Hydraloop. Smart water saving.